What a beauty, just arrived in. One local owner from you. It is beautiful. Vauxhall Insignia. It's the 1.5 turbo Grand Sport SRI navigation automatic. Bit of a mouthful. Finished in Rioja Red. It is absolutely stunning colour. Love the colour of it. Get a bit of sunshine on that and it gleams away. 2018 on a 68 plate with around £2,000 worth of factory fitted options. It's the 1.5 turbo, 163 brake horsepower, 6-speed automatic. Incredible low mileage of just 10,700 miles. That's all it's done. 10,700. 2018 car. Great factory options, including the heads up. Let's take you all the way around it. Gorgeous colour. Just look at that, very rich colour. Rioja Red, got the rear spoiler. Massive boot on these, absolutely huge boot. Look at that, goes on forever. Split folding rear seats. Great load carrier. You've got the insignia mat there. Additional storage there. Locking wheel bolt. All the loading area, all undamaged. Rear parking sensors, reverse camera. Gorgeous all the way around. Close up of the wheels, all of them absolutely perfect. We've not had these refurbished, that's how the vehicle came in. Good tyres all the way around. It's got the mud flaps as well, all down the sides, no dents, scratches, dings. And this is why we do the videos, to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency, full close-up of the car. So it gives you an idea of exactly what to expect. No nasty surprises, only pleasant ones when you come and look at the vehicle. Again, good tyre. Got front parking sensors all across the front. Lovely and clean. Might be the odd tiny stone chip, but nothing really worth sort of mentioning. Again, a good close-up. Literally, you get you on your hands and knees with me to show you all the way around. So the driver's wheel again, absolutely perfect. Again, plenty of tread on the tyre, all down the sides. No little dents, scratches or scrapes. The wheel. Look at that leg space, plenty of leg room there. All the door trims, nice effect there with like the carbon trim. All door trims absolutely perfect. All the entry points not scuffed and damaged. Got the part leather upholstery. All headlining. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. USB input in the rear. Driver's door trim. All the switches there. Again, all the entry points. Sports seats. All absolutely perfect, as you would expect for the mileage. Again, you've got the carbon effect trim on the dashboard. Or should I say the door trim there. Or the dashboard is absolutely perfect, as it should be. So the option was a big screen on there. That was an option. You've got the heads-up display. There we go. The camera shows up there, which is a great feature. Saves you looking onto the dashboard when you're driving along. That is just projected on the windscreen if you're not aware of what heads-up display means. So again, that was a feature of the vehicle. Nice big clear menu. Audio. Phone. Navigation. Climate. Apple Play settings. So as you can see, all very, very easy to set things up. Dual zone climate control, reverse camera. You've also got lane assist. USB input in there. 10728. That's what it's done. 10728. Full Vauxhall service history, and we've just done a full service, so it's all ready to go. Various functions on here. Collision alert, information on there. Cruise control, speed limiter. Radio source on there. Volume on there. You've got the various menus in front of you on there. Great sound system. Got voice activation as well.
What would you like?
Navigation.
For we go, please say address, place of interest, intersection or contact.
Place of interest.
If you are looking for a place near your current location, please tell me the name. Otherwise, say change location.
Moorcroft Pottery.
Walkaround. Is that correct?
Cancel.
Okay, I'll cancel the speech session. I hope I can help next time.
Great feature, so it makes it so much safer for you to either get navigation instructions or get the phone to ring somebody or change radio stations. So again, great feature. You've also got folding mirrors. So there we have it, our beautiful 10,000 mile, one owner Vauxhall Insignia with some very rare options, and of course a very rare colour, the Rioja Red, which is just absolutely gorgeous. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance always available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator with low deposit, low monthly payments, and apply direct to our website. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7. Reserve, come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you reserve the car and you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. Simple, easy, hassle-free way to buy your next car. And remember, we do the videos to give you full transparency, give you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair, like many customers do. Specialist Cars, established since 1997, that's 28 years. Specialist Cars, a multi-award-winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We're open Monday to Saturday. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. If you need any further information or a more personalised video of something that we may have possibly missed on this video, please feel free to give us a call. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen, That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.